Imagine pressing one button, and 60 seconds later, a brand new book is sitting live on Amazon. Researched, written, designed, published. You didn't type a word. Sounds impossible? Not with KDPilot. Create any book in any niche or category and instantly go live with it and display in front of over 310 million Amazon shoppers. And the whole thing takes under a minute. You've probably heard the Amazon KDP success stories. People quietly pulling in 4 and 5 figures a month from books they publish. What you don't hear as often is what it actually takes to get there the old way. Weeks buried in niche research, only to find the good ones already crowded $1,000 plus to a ghostwriter for a manuscript that might not even convert. Days lost to formatting specs that Amazon rejects over a single margin error, another few $100s for cover design. And after all that, no guarantee the book sells added up and you're looking at real money and dozens of hours for one book. Meanwhile, the authors actually making serious income are publishing 20-30 books a month. That gap isn't talent, it's process. Over the past 2 years, a new category of AI has emerged. Not chat assistants you have to prompt and steer, but autonomous AI operators that carry out entire multi-step workflows on their own. It's the technology behind some of the biggest infrastructure investments in tech right now, and it's finally been packaged into something built specifically for Amazon publishing. This is KDPilot, an AI operator that doesn't help you publish books. It does the publishing. Here's the entire process from your side. You open KDPilot, you press one button, that's it. Behind that button, it scans live Amazon data, search trends, competition, buyer demand, to surface a niche worth publishing in. It writes a full-length manuscript, not an outline. It designs a cover. It formats the manuscript for Kindle, paperback, and audiobook simultaneously. It publishes the listing live on Amazon, no prompts to write. No decisions to make. No manuscript to review line by line unless you want to. Most AI publishing tools still leave the heavy lifting to you. You write the prompts, you do the formatting, you handle the uploads. KDPilot is built to remove that step entirely. One creation produces 3 formats: ebook, paperback, and audiobook. At once, studio-quality AI narration in 80+ languages built in. No extra cost real-time niche detection, so you're not chasing saturated categories. Works across genres: fiction, nonfiction, self-help, children's books, cookbooks, and more. A system that replaces a multi-$1,000 publishing team could easily be priced at $997. That's not where we're starting at. Plus, you're covered by a genuine guarantee. If KDPilot doesn't do what it says, or you're unhappy for any reason within 30 days, email us for a full refund. Your next book doesn't need your time, it needs 60 seconds. Beta users are already clearing 6 figures with this exact model, before the public even had access. But here's the catch: doors are closing very soon. This isn't scarcity for effect. Access to KDPilot is genuinely limited, and software like this doesn't come around often. Maybe once a year, if that. Early bird pricing is live right now. This is your shot to own a piece of the $128 billion a year industry, without the overhead, the inventory, or the guesswork. KDPilot hands an entire done-for-you business in a box to you, minus the chaos. Remember, you have to hurry. The one-time price is limited to the initial launch only, so don't wait for the price increase. Right now you can snatch it for less what a cup of coffee costs. You're just minutes away from finally being able to make it online. Click the Buy Now button below and let's connect personally on the next page.